Hello, hi, good morning, everyone. I have shared that Google AdWords fundamentals PDF with you, and we'll discuss. I will explain this PDF today in 2 3 lectures, right? And then we will visit directly google.adwords.com for how we can launch the AdWords campaign, right? The live campaign, how we can launch. Then we will discuss that. So first, we will try to understand what Google AdWords is. Google AdWords is basically a tool by Google and itself. Google owns it, and it is used for launching campaigns, and both type of campaigns, whether either search advertising campaigns and display advertising campaigns as well. I'm trying to segregate the campaigns, online advertising campaigns, in two categories here. The first one is search advertising. Search advertising, where the advertisements or appears on search search engine like Google and Google Maps, Google Images, and some other search engines as well associated with Google. Those who have partnered with Google for search advertising on revenue sharing basis, right? So search advertising is where advertisement campaigns or the advertisements appears on search engine result pages. And display advertising is where advertisements which appears on different websites, mobile applications, right? Whether mobile is Android or iOS mobile applications, or in social media websites. Google has also partnered with thousands of even millions of websites with Google AdSense program. Most of you may be knowing about Google AdSense. By the help of AdSense, by integrating with Google AdSense or by partnering with Google AdSense, you can make revenue by displaying advertisements on your website. Getting the point? So Google AdSense is only a platform which partners with you, but the partnership, the advertisement will be placed by Google AdWords. The advertisements on your website will be placed by Google AdWords. So we have two types of advertisements. One is Google search advertising and another is Google display advertising. In display advertising category, we have mobile advertising, we have remarketing campaigns, we have normal display advertising campaigns, we have display with search campaigns. Different types of display advertising campaigns are there in that category, right? Now the first thing is why we are using that online advertising. We have discussed about digital marketing, right? The benefits of digital marketing, and you can revise them. Instant reach, we can reach anywhere instantly with the help of digital marketing campaigns. Highly targeted targeted ads. Targeting gives you the ability to show your ads to reach people with specific interest. I have all discussed all these things, namely people who are interested in your products and services. Keywords, we target based on keywords. In case of search advertising, especially in Google search advertising, right? The only keywords targeting we use. In case of display advertising, we use keywords targeting. We use different placement methods, other placement methods as well, right? And targeted advertisements are highly targeted, whether we are using them targeted, either they are search advertising and targeted on the basis of the keywords, on the basis of the location, ad location. That is, you are to show your ads on search engines, commercial sites, or personal sites. So we call it location or placement. Age, location, language. You can target a particular age group or particular geographical region or location. In a language, multiple language. Days, some days of the week, maybe weekend for travelers and also Saturday, Sunday, or for helping travelers with such advertising. Times, maybe in the evening only, or maybe sometime in the lunch hours. frequency, how many times, right? All these facilities are available with Google AdWords. You can, right, control your cost. AdWords give you control over how you spend your money. That is, we can start a campaign with any amount of budget. I have focused on that. Digital advertising campaigns can be started with a very low amount of budget. Even on 100 rupees per day, on even less than that, there is no minimum. There is no minimum, and you can choose how much you spend per month, per day, and per ad. Right? You will only pay when someone clicks your ad. Pay per click. We talked about pay per click. When someone will click on your ad, right? Measures your success. We can measure our success. The success of Google AdWords campaigns can be measured with the help of Google Analytics. With AdWords, if someone clicked your ad, you will know if they clicked your ad and then did something valuable to your business, purchased your product, downloaded your app, or phoned in an order. You can track that too by seeing which ads get clicks and which one does not. You will also quickly see where to invest in your campaign. That I have discussed. We can find which campaign is working. If any display campaign is social media campaign, other one is a mobile campaign, other one is a remarketing campaign. So we can find out which campaign is working, right? And which we have to stop, and on which one we have to invest more money, right? To get more profit or more revenues, more conversions, right? You can get other valuable data, including how much it costs you on average for advertising that leads to your customers' online purchases or phone calls, right? That is another benefit of Google AdWords campaign. Manage your campaigns. AdWords also offer you tools to easily manage and monitor accounts. We will discuss live campaign after this completion of this PDF. If you manage multiple AdWords accounts, My Client Center AdWords accounts, multiple AdWords account can be managed, and a single as well. Manager account is a powerful tool that could save your time. It lets you easily view and manage all of your AdWords accounts from single location. We can manage multiple AdWords accounts from a single location, right? Getting the point? If you have multiple clients, then you can manage campaigns of up to 100 clients from a single account, right? AdWords manager account, we call it. Manager account, right? So that is the management, campaign management. AdWords campaign management is easy, right? Now, Google Advertising Network. Google Advertising Network. As you read through the sections of the study guide, think about the following scenarios. Google Advertising Network. Google Advertising Network, as I said, with AdWords, your ads can show on one or both of Google's advertising networks, one or both. The Google Search Network and the Google Display Network. As I said, Google Search Network is Google itself, Google Maps, Google Images, and other search engines. Other search engines as well, like YouTube. Also YouTube is in Google Search Advertising Networks. And Google Display Network, we have millions of websites partnered with Google using Google's AdSense program, right? The campaign type you choose determines which of these networks your ads will appear on. The campaign type is maybe search campaign. The campaign will be search campaign, only Google search or partner search, or the display campaign, display networks, websites, applications, and all. And maybe the both. So you can opt for that we will discuss later. Both type of campaigns, search and display select. The search and display as well as, right? So we can go with both type of campaigns as well. Google Search Network. The search network includes Google Search, other Google sites such as Maps and Shopping, and hundreds of non-Google search partner websites. Non-Google search partner. Please look here. It is about search partner website like AOL that show AdWords ads matched to search results. Search queries. Matched to search results, search queries. The search network can help advertisers do following. What? Show their text ads next to Google search results. Text ads, which we see ad in organic search ads that we have discussed. Reach customers actively searching for their specific product or services. So Google, right? Shopping, maps, with the help of shopping, products or services, Google searching. And next is display network, Google display network. The display network includes a collection of Google websites like Google Finance, Gmail, Blogger, YouTube, right? Google Web. These are basically Google websites, partners sites and mobile sites and apps that show ads matched to a content on a given page. Matched content to a given page. Similar content on a given page. Placements we also call. The display network can help advertisers to do the following. Use appealing ad formats to search a wide range of customers with broad interest. Build brand awareness and customer loyalty. Brand awareness and customer loyalty. Increase engagement with customers. Right? Increase engagement with customers. Choose more specifically where their ads can appear and to what type of audience. So we need to understand the display network. Display network is Google Finance, Gmail, Blogger, YouTube, partner sites. As I said, millions of websites partnered by Google AdSense program. Partner sites. Similarly, mobile sites and mobile apps. All these are partner sites we can say. Or partner apps we can say for mobile apps. Right? These have partnered through Google AdSense program. So these are the two networks, search network and display network. Whichever advertisements you see on mobile, on websites, on search, everywhere, these all the advertisements are launched by using Google AdWords. They are either Google search campaigns or Google display campaigns, right? Further, where your ads can appear. The ads appears, we all know, we have seen on the search pages like that with AD and on display advertisements as well, right? Display advertisements on corners, on the top, search formats. Now, search formats. If we are talking about search advertising, then we have search advertising formats, that is text ads, text only, text. The simplest and most common kind of search ad. The ad which we see in organic search ads on Google first page, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom, maximum 8 capacity. So we call them simple text ads. Text ads are made up of a headline, a display URL that shows the address of your website and a description. That is the most. Ads with extension, right? Extension, what other included in the text ads in extension? Ad extensions are visual enhancements to search ads that more prominently display information about your business, such as phone number. Sometimes we see a search ad mentioned AD and call me, right? And a sign of telephone, right? And if you click on that, the call will automatically it will call to the advertiser at the same time. So this is what? This is ads with extension. This is search ad but with a extension. A search ad with extension. Ad extensions are visual enhancements to search ads that more prominently display information about your business, such as a phone number, location, right? It also tells about location or links to other pieces of relevant content. Relevant content means price, maybe displaying price, maybe displaying some offer, maybe displaying 50% off. From deeper within your sitemap, you can add these enhancements which often appear in ads above search results manually, or they can be added by our automated formatting system, right? So when we design a search ad with the search ad format, as simple as this. In the simple ad format, we have a headline, a URL to click, and a description. But with extension, we have options of 4 to 6 extensions in a search advertising. The first extension may be call, the second may be website, the third one may be prices page. You can directly click, users can directly click on pricing page from a search advertising. The next may be you are offering 50% off product. You have made a different section for 50% off product. That can be one, right? So these are basically ad formats of a search ad. Ad formats of a search ad, right? This is about and for today. Thank you very much.